How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a music to Instagram post with multiple photos. Yes, it's totally possible to create a slideshow like a post and make it even more engaging with perfect soundtrack. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first thing first, open your Instagram app. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus button shown on the bottom of your screen, and you will enter the page where you can post anything on Instagram. Next, tap the select multiple button shown on the screen, and then pick all the photos that you want to include in your post. You can add up to 10 photos. Once you are done selecting all the photos for your post, you can simply tap next shown on the top right corner, and you will enter the page where you can add music to your post. You can simply select the music shown on the post, or you can even search for the music by simply tapping on browse and searching for your music on the search bar. Once you have picked a song, you can adjust the slider to select the exact part of song you want to use. Preview your post to see how the music fits with your photos. Once you are done with that, you can add caption that fit your vibes, include some hashtags to boost engagement, and tag location if you want. And when you are ready, simply tap on share, and your post will be live with music. And that's it. Adding music to multiple photo Instagram posts is super easy and take your content to next level. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.